What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty exciting one. We got a brand new 2024 NASCAR Diecast haul. We got a bunch of new ones to go over that I'm pretty excited to get into, and we've got one off to the side here that is a custom off of eBay that I had to pick up and include in this video. So just as an added bonus, we're going to take a look at it. Because it is going to be the custom Chase Elliott Coca-Cola Slim Chickens number 9 that just raced at Richmond. So Lionel basically said that they can't really offer this one right now, and they probably won't at all. So went ahead and went at it because I thought this scheme was gorgeous. I thought it was pretty cool. First time sponsoring Chase Elliott, the Coca-Cola. So here it is. Really cool. Let me get it out of the box. So here it is out of the box. Looks pretty good. Of course, it is just a custom decal and apply type deal here. But I think it looks really good. I'm going to display it without a box, so it's just going to look just like this on the shelf. And it'll look really good, especially from all the other cars that they've released this year, Lionel officially. So really cool. Glad to have it. If Lionel ends up making it, that's cool too, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to, because I think Coca-Cola has a license with a different diecast maker or something. So, pretty cool. Wanted to show that off as a bonus before we get into this unboxing here of a bunch of brand new 2024 diecast. Leave a comment on which one you like the most from this video. Once you see it, leave that comment. We'll try to go one at a time the best I can, but we'll see. And of course, Circle B Diecast gives you a free 187 scale mystery bag with every purchase now. It could be a free koozie, or it could be a free mystery bag. So right now it's these. Pretty cool, of course. Okay, so let's just get into the first one. First one up, Josh Berry in his 2024 Sunny D number 4. These are all the newer released diecast chassis. So you got the one out of 288, or yeah, one of 288. Josh Berry, first one out. We've got Dale Jr.'s Hellman's number 88 for the 2024 season. Another really cool one. Next up, Joey Logano's 2022 or 2024 22. Pretty popular guy right now. Maybe, maybe not, for the right reasons after that Richmond race. His wallet is hurting more than his race car after that race. Next up, Consumer Cellular number 6 for Brad Keselowski in the RFK Ford. So another really cool one. And let's see, I get another Brad Keselowski because this one is the number 6. This is Fastenal Bodyguard number 6. Really like this one. Love the orange with the black. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Next up, we have William Byron's Daytona 500 winning number 24. And this looks really good in my opinion. Really good. This might be my favorite one so far. Love it. Next, Noah Gragson's number 10 Bass Pro Shops Ranger Boats for SHR. Another cool one. All right, two more here. Another Josh Berry. This is Josh Berry's Harrison's number 4 SHR. This is a very Ford heavy haul we have here. Bunch of Fords. And then we've got one left. And it is Carson Hocevar's number 77 Delaware Life 2024 Camaro ZL1, 1 of 288. That's the last one of the box. But what I want to do now is I'm going to get out one of these Fords and take a look at that new body that they got going on. So let's do that. All right, so here we go. We've got Joey Logano's number 22 to look at here because this scheme's been around for plenty of years, so it's nice to get it back out. And this is the brand new Mustang Dark Horse, I believe. Could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So pretty nice. I mean, I'm not actually too sure how different it is than last year, but maybe the 124s will be more noticeably different. But I just wanted to take one out and take a look, see if I could notice anything. But now that that's that, you've seen it all, and you can leave a comment on which one you liked the best from the video. While you're at it, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking it out.